Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment or the huge vacancies from one of the state university guys, and all these are the permanent vacancies. So here the vacancies are there from the assistant professor, associate as well as professor. Okay, the different vacancies notifications are announced. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is the Dr. Shakuntala Mishra National University from Lucknow guys. Okay, so in this one actually we got the total 4 notifications, 1, 2, 3 and 4 notifications. Okay, so we will see each and every advertisement okay, clearly, and it is from government of Uttar Pradesh guys. And at the time of filling up the application forms, if you are having any technical issues or that, then here the mail ID as well as the contact number is also provided. Okay, at the time of filling up of online applications, okay, if you feel any some issues, then you may contact to this number also, or else the mail ID. And the commencement of application start from 17th March 2021, and the last date for online application form is 16th April 2021. But actually here the last date is extended guys. Okay, I will show you the extended dates also. And before going to that one, I will show you the extended dates at the end of this video. Okay, before going to that one, the application fee 1500 rupees for the professor as well as the associate, and 1200 rupees for the assistant professor through online mode of the candidates, and 750 rupees and 600 rupees through online mode based upon this designation as well as the caste category. So here the application fee is divided based upon the caste category as well as the designation guys. So you please check down once. And online applications are available in this link. Okay, I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So you need not to set separately in the Google guys. And coming to the assistant professor, it is a level 10 category. So the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And here the assistant, associate as well as the professor vacancies are there. And coming to the subjects, Hindi and other Indian languages, English and other foreign languages, education, political science and public administration, social work, sociology or the social science, economics, fine arts and the music. Okay. And here the professor, associate as well as assistant professor, the number of vacancies are mentioned here as per the caste category. So you may check down in this table guys. And coming to the professor and associate professor, the PhD is mandatory. And while coming to the assistant professor, here the master's degree with 55% of marks, and along with that one, the candidate must have the SLET or SET or NET qualification must be there. If the PhD qualified candidates are there, then they are exempted from the SLET, SET or the NET qualification. Okay. So these are the things guys, and once again you may just go through this one. Almost all the assistant professor vacancies which are mentioned here. So post graduation with 55% of marks, along with that one, SLET, SET or the NET qualification is mentioned. Fine. And coming to the second advertisement from the same university, you may check down here. So the last dates I will show you at the end of this video. And application fees okay, is same as per the previously mentioned one. The same application fee, and the scale is all pay scale is also same here. And coming to the departments, computer science, information technology, law, commerce and the management. Okay, these are the departments guys. And here as per the caste category and as per the designation wise, the number of vacancies are mentioned in this table. And coming to the assistant professor qualification, here the master's degree with 55% of marks. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, the candidate must have the UGC NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so it is regarding this one. And coming to the third advertisement, it is also from the same university. And from this one, all the application fees okay, is same. And here the last date for submission of downloading the application form with enclosures given here as a 5 May, but all these dates are revised guys. And in this case, the vacancies are from the departments visual impairment and the hearing impairment, mental retardation or else intellectual disability, and the rehabilitation and the multiple disabilities. Okay. and here the vacancies are mentioned as per the caste category, and you may check down. And in this case, coming to the assistant professor, the qualifications mentioned here are master's degree with 55% of marks, or else the equivalent degree from the foreign university recognized by the RCI. Actually, for these things there is no, net qualifications are not there, okay, but they are exempted from the net SLET or SET qualification. But anyhow, for these degrees, okay, you please check down once the qualification, whatever the things are required here. And coming to the fourth one, from the same university, here the departments are chemistry, physics, mathematics and statistics, and the microbiology. Okay, so these are the departments, guys. And from this one, as per the caste category, you may check down here the number of vacancies, and the pay scale is same for the professor, associate and assistant professor category. Coming to the eligibility, master's degree with 55% of marks, along with that one, the candidate must have the SLET or SET, or else the national eligibility test qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the details regarding this notification, guys. And coming to the extension dates, here they gave one recruitment notice here, date extension for advertisement 42, 43, 44 and 45. That means total I showed you the 4 advertisements here. So regarding this one, the date is extended here, and the notice regarding that extension date is mentioned here. The previous schedule, the last date for online submission of application form and the fee payment and application forms PDF download is the 30th April, and it is extended to 15th May 2021. And coming to the remaining things, the last date is kept as 5th May, and that is extended to 21st May 2021. Fine. So these are the extended dates, guys, and all these are the permanent vacancies. Okay, so if you are interested, then you may apply to this one. Okay, and if you don't belong to these departments, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them, okay, who are eagerly waiting for the permanent assistant professor vacancies in the government universities. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide